Okay, welcome to this weekly. We're going to look at functions and sequences. So the first question says, write a recursive formula for the sequence 9, 13, 17, 21, 25. Then find the next term. Recursive formula, the generic form for a recursive formula. We're going to be looking at a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 plus d. And I know that this is going to be the arithmetic recursive formula because we have a common difference of 4. Okay? And so, what we do is just simply fill in what we need. A sub n minus 1 is the previous term, and then we put the common difference of 4. And what we need to do is also say where a sub 1 equals 9. Give our first term. Find the next term. So finding the next term would be simply, in this case, adding 4. If you were to use the formula, you would find a sub n equals, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the sixth term. A sub 6 equals a sub 6 minus 1, which is a sub 5, plus 4. A sub 5 we know as 25. So 25 plus 4. So a sub 6 should give us 29. Let's look at this next question. It says, write an explicit formula for the sequence 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then find the 22nd term. So what we know, first of all, is it's explicit. We know that it's arithmetic because of a common difference. And so we have a common difference of 5. We have a first term of 5. And we have a arithmetic sequence, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the difference times n minus 1. Now, all we need to do is fill in the information that we know. So we know the first term is 5, the difference is 5, and it's times n minus 1. You could leave the formula this way, or you could simplify things through distribution. So you're going to get 5 plus 5n minus 5. And what we would do then is we would combine the 5 and the negative 5. So we get a sub n equals 5 times n. Now it says to find the 22nd term. So what we would do is use this formula, a sub 22 equals 5 times 22. And the 22nd term is going to be equal to 110. This question says, is the sequence arithmetic? If so, identify the common difference. If it's arithmetic, we're going to either add or subtract the same number from one term to the next. If it's geometric, we will multiply by a common ratio to get from one term to the next. In this case, it does appear that it is arithmetic, because if you go from 13 to 20, you've got 7. From 20 to 27, you have another plus 7. And from from 27 to 34, you do add another 7. And so I would say the answer is yes. So we can eliminate D. The common difference is not 13. It's not negative 7. It definitely is choice A. Yes, and common difference of 7. Let's look at this question here. It says, is the sequence geometric? If so, identify the common ratio. Well, to go from term 1 to term 2, it does appear that we add 6. But to go from term 2 to term 3, it appears that we add 12. And so I don't think this is arithmetic. What I would do is just check by dividing, let's say, term 2 by term 1. So we're going to have 12 divided by 6, which gives you 2. We have 24 divided by 12. That's going to give you 2. Now let's check with term 4 divided by term 3. 48 divided by 24. That gives you 2. Yes, it does appear that there is a common ratio. The common ratio is 2, and therefore it is geometric. I would say yes, and 2 is the common ratio.